Welcome, math adventurers! Today we're learning about solving equations. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand the key ideas behind this topic and how they work together in algebra. An equation is like a balance challenge. Both sides must have the same value. Solving means finding the value that makes the balance true. The secret move is simple: whatever we do to one side, we do to the other side too. Before solving, it helps to read an equation, like a complete math sentence. The equal sign means the expression on the left has the same value as the expression on the right. The variable is the unknown part of the sentence. A solution is the number that makes the whole sentence true. For 2 times plus 1 equals 9, the left side is 2 times plus 1, and the right side is 9. We are not just hunting for a random number, we are finding the value of x that makes both sides match exactly. That balance idea guides every move. A solution is a value for the variable that makes the equation true. For x plus 3 equals 8, the value 5 is a solution because 5 plus 3 equals 8. Checking is how we confirm the mission is complete. Replace the variable with the value, and see whether both sides match. The equal sign is not a decoration. It means the left side and right side have the same value. If one side changes and the other does not, the equation becomes unbalanced. That is why every solving step must be fair. Every solving step has to be a fair move. If we subtract 4 from one side, we subtract 4 from the other side. If we divide one side by 3, we divide the other side by 3. The equation may look different after each move, but the balance stays true. That is why solving is not guessing. It is a chain of equal equations, each one carefully connected to the next. Inverse operations undo each other. Addition is undone by subtraction. Subtraction is undone by addition. Multiplication is undone by division. Division is undone by multiplication. For x plus 6 equals 14, the plus 6 is attached to x. To undo it, subtract 6 from both sides. The left side becomes x, and the right side becomes 8. So x equals 8. Notice the goal: isolate the variable, which means get the variable by itself, while keeping the equation balanced. Many equations need more than one inverse move. In 2 times plus 3 equals 11, the variable is being multiplied by 2, and then 3 is added. We undo in reverse order, like backing out of a maze. First subtract 3 from both sides. That gives 2 times equals 8. Then divide both sides by 2. That gives x equals 4. The check is quick. 2 times 4 plus 3 equals 11. The value fits, so the equation is solved. A good solver looks at what is happening to the variable, then undoes those actions in a smart order. If the equation has like terms on the same side, combine them first. If it has parentheses, distribute first. If the variable is being multiplied and then something is added, undo the adding or subtracting before undoing the multiplication or division. For 4 times plus 5 minus x equals 14, combine 4 times and minus x to get 3 times plus 5 equals 14. Now the equation is simpler. Subtract 5, then divide by 3. The strategy is not magic. It is cleaning the equation until the variable can stand alone. Some equations have parentheses or variables on both sides. Parentheses usually call for the distributive property first. For 3, x plus 2 equals 18, distribute to get 3 times plus 6 equals 18. Subtract 6 from both sides, then divide by 3. So x equals 4. When variables appear on both sides, move them to one side using inverse operations. For 5 times minus 2 equals 3 times plus 10, subtract 3 times from both sides. Now 2 times minus 2 equals 10, add 2, then divide by 2, and x equals 6. The equation stays balanced the entire time. Sometimes solving reveals a special case. If the steps lead to 7 equals 7, the equation is always true, so it has infinitely many solutions. If the steps lead to 7 equals 9, the equation is impossible, so it has no solution. Fractions and decimals are not new rules, they are just numbers. In x over 4 equals 3, multiply both sides by 4 and x equals 12. In 0.5 times equals 6, divide by 0.5, or multiply by 2 and x equals 12. The balance idea still controls every move. Great job learning about solving equations. You've taken another step toward mastering algebra. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.